Finance tips. Without the face, your path to YouTube success. Are you passionate about finance? Do you spend hours researching the stock market, budgeting, or investment strategies? Do you want to share your knowledge with the world and help others achieve financial freedom? Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to do just that. You can reach a global audience and make a real impact. Many people hesitate because they don't want to be on camera. The fear of being judged or not looking perfect can be overwhelming. The good news is, you don't have to be. You can still create engaging and informative content without ever showing your face. You can create a successful Faceless Finance channel. This means using visuals, text, and voiceovers to convey your message. Faceless channels use a combination of graphics, animations, and voiceovers instead of showing the creator. This approach can be just as effective, if not more so. This format is perfect for camera-shy individuals. You can focus on your content and message without the added pressure of being on screen. You can focus on delivering valuable content without worrying about your appearance. Your audience will appreciate the quality and depth of your information. Plus, you can stay anonymous online if you choose to. This can be a great way to protect your privacy while still building a strong online presence. This guide will show you how to build a Faceless Finance channel. We'll walk you through each step, from planning your content to growing your audience. We'll cover everything from finding your niche, to editing videos, to promoting your channel. Let's get started on your path to YouTube success. Finding your niche. What do people want to know about money? This is a crucial question for anyone looking to create content in the financial space. Before you start creating videos, you need to know what your channel will be about. This means identifying a specific area within the vast world of finance that you are both knowledgeable and passionate about. What specific area of finance are you passionate about? Is it personal finance, investing, budgeting, or perhaps financial planning for retirement? What kind of financial advice are you qualified to give? Your qualifications and experience will help you build credibility with your audience. Once you know your niche, you can start brainstorming video ideas. Think about the common questions people have in your area of expertise. Use tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public to find out what people are searching for online. These tools can provide valuable insights into the topics that are currently trending. These tools can help you identify popular keywords and questions related to your niche. By focusing on these, you can create content that is more likely to attract viewers. Look for topics with high search volume and low competition. This sweet spot will give your videos the best chance of being seen and shared. This will give your videos the best chance of being seen. Monitoring your analytics will also help you understand what works and what doesn't. For example, instead of a broad topic like investing, focus on investing for beginners or real estate investing for millennials. These more specific topics can help you stand out in a crowded field. This targeted approach helps you attract a specific audience interested in your expertise. Engaging with your audience through comments and feedback can also help you refine your content and build a loyal following. ChatGPT, your personal finance scriptwriter. Creating engaging scripts is crucial for any YouTube channel. ChatGPT can help you write compelling scripts quickly and easily. This AI-powered tool can generate text, translate languages, and write different kinds of creative content. Start by providing ChatGPT with a clear prompt. For example, you could say, write a script for a 5-minute YouTube video about the basics of budgeting. Be specific about your desired tone, style, and target audience. ChatGPT will generate a script based on your instructions. You can then edit the script to fit your needs and add your personal touch. Remember, ChatGPT is a starting point. Use your knowledge and experience to make the script your own. Canva design eye-catching visuals. Even if you're not a designer, visuals are essential for keeping viewers engaged. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that makes creating stunning visuals effortless. You don't need any design experience to use Canva. Canva offers a vast library of templates for YouTube thumbnails, channel art, and video graphics. You can customize these templates with your colors, fonts, and images. Add text, icons, and other elements to make your visuals more informative and engaging. For example, use Canva to create visually appealing graphs and charts to illustrate financial concepts. You can also create animated text to highlight key takeaways. Recording like a pro. Your voice, your microphone, your studio. Now it's time to record your voiceover. Choose a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. You don't need a professional studio, but find a room with good acoustics. Use blankets or pillows to dampen echoes if needed. Invest in a good quality USB microphone for clear and professional sounding audio. A pop filter will help reduce plosives, those popping sounds from P&B words. Practice your script beforehand to ensure a smooth and confident delivery. Speak clearly and concisely, and remember to breathe. Editing magic from raw footage to financial masterpiece. Transforming raw footage into a polished professional video can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, it becomes a seamless process. Video editing might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Several free and paid video editing software options are available. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, there's a software out there that fits your needs and budget. For beginners, we recommend user-friendly options like iMovie for Mac or Filmora for both Windows and Mac. These programs are designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, making the editing process straightforward and enjoyable. These programs offer intuitive interfaces and essential editing tools. You'll find features like drag-and-drop functionality, preset templates, and simple trimming tools that make editing a breeze. Start by importing your voiceover and any visuals you've created. This includes your raw video clips, images, and any other media you plan to use in your project. Arrange the clips in the correct order on the timeline. This step is crucial for creating a coherent narrative and ensuring that your video flows smoothly from start to finish. Trim any unnecessary footage and add transitions between clips for a smooth flow. Transitions help to maintain viewer interest and make your video look more professional. Incorporate background music to enhance the mood and keep viewers engaged. Music can set the tone for your video and make it more emotionally impactful. Choose royalty-free music to avoid copyright issues. There are many websites where you can find high-quality, royalty-free music that suits the theme of your video. Finally, add text overlays for key takeaways, definitions, or calls to action. Text overlays can highlight important points and make your video more informative and engaging for your audience. YouTube awaits uploading and optimizing your video for success. Once you are happy with your edited video, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Choose a descriptive and catchy title that includes relevant keywords. Write a compelling video description that accurately reflects your content and includes those keywords again. Select relevant tags to help viewers find your video. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your niche. For example, use tags like personal finance, budgeting, and investing, as well as more specific tags related to your video's content. Create a custom thumbnail that is visually appealing and accurately represents your video. The thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Launching your channel, building your brand, and finding your audience. Congratulations on uploading your first video. Now it's time to focus on building your channel and attracting viewers. Create a cohesive brand identity for your channel. Choose a memorable channel name, design a professional-looking banner image, and write a compelling channel description. Promote your video on your other social media platforms. Share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Engage with other creators in your niche and participate in relevant online communities. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your channel. Create and upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Engaging your viewers. Responding to comments and building a community. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. Encourage viewers to leave comments and ask questions. Respond to comments promptly and thoughtfully. Show your viewers that you value their engagement. Consider hosting Q&A sessions or live streams to connect with your audience in real time. Create polls and quizzes to make your content more interactive. Monetizing your channel. Turning your passion into profit. Once your channel starts gaining traction, you can explore different monetization options. Join the YouTube Partner Program to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. You can also earn money through channel memberships, super chats, and merchandise shelf sales. Collaborate with brands on sponsored content. As your channel grows, you can explore affiliate marketing opportunities. Remember to disclose any sponsorships or affiliate relationships to your viewers. You can do it. Take action and start your Faceless Finance journey. Starting a YouTube channel can be an incredibly rewarding experience. You can share your passion for finance with the world, help others achieve their financial goals, and even generate income. Remember, you don't need to be on camera to be successful on YouTube. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a thriving Faceless Finance channel. So what are you waiting for? Take action today and start building your dream YouTube channel.